There will be a man on the day of Qiyamah. He will come before Allah, and Allah will have sentenced him to Jahannam because of his sins. And he'll be being dragged away by the angels, dragging him away towards Jahannam. And then when he gets close to the fire recedes away from him. And Allah asks the fire, what's the matter with you? He's well aware. The fire says, my Lord, he is seeking refuge with you from me. He's still seeking refuge with you from me. I have no choice but to step back. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say, he sought refuge with me. I give him my refuge. Let him go. I forgive him and put him in Jannah. This is our Rabb. This is whom we worship. The world needs to know that our Rabb is like this. There will be another man whom Allah has sentenced him to Jahannam because of his sins, and he's being dragged away, and he will call out, my Rabb, Rabbi, I did not expect this from you. This is not what I expected. And Allah will say, what did you expect? I mean, you did all the sins. Was there anything in this record that was wrong? You did it. What did you expect? He will say, I expected that you were so merciful you could even forgive somebody like me. And Allah will say, he called me by my mercy, so he finds me merciful. Let him go, I forgive him and enter him into Jannah. This is our Rabb.